Or flash flood. Oh yeah. No, it didn't go off whenever it was traveling. I was sleeping in my bed, so yeah, we're good. But as you can see, it not off. Oh, here's our flash flooding. That's probably 3 or 4 inches deep. That's all flooded. This is all flooded. I'm in flip-flops, so this has been hard to do. That's not full of water, which is unusual. That's flooded. Oh, this is flooded. Oh crap, my lawn chair is flooded. I'm gonna come in just a second. Oh, this is flooded. I'm glad I haven't turned our fire pit over. That's flooded. Whoa! Ouch. Stepping on the twig. Cold feet and stepping on stuff is why you don't try to navigate a flash flood in your yard with flip-flops. You ready to see this deep water? It's so deep, it's actually coming up my feet and getting my pants wet. That is what I call a flash flood. Okay. Let me dry my feet off so I don't fall in the kitchen. Kitchen linoleum. See if I can get that. Yep. That didn't get it. That one did, but you can't tell. That one did, you can't tell.